Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline alarm on this customer's Vauxhall Movano 2019. Customer's brief was he wanted to use the existing remote control and he wanted impact, door protection, status LED and a siren, so we fitted that. So what we're going to do is we're going to arm it. On this system here we've done it in a deadlock, so arm, deadlock, slight chirp, he wanted it quite low for night time. When you come back, just disarm it. There you go, a couple of chirps. So what we're going to do is we're going to arm it now. We're going to wait for it to set and then I'm going to trigger it. Now I'm going to apply a force and you're going to hear it go mad. So we've just shown you what we call impact sensor. So if someone applies a force to the glass, the alarm will trigger. So now I'm actually going to set it and I'm going to actually do an attempt on the door. So open the door and you're going to hear it trigger. So let's wait for it to set again. So let's just arm it again. Wait for it to set and then we'll actually do an entry. So it should be set now, so I'm actually going to pick the lock. So there you go, you can actually see the side door, should I say the passenger door, any door really. So I'm actually, can't do it on the driver's door because there's no key. So I'm actually going to do it. Can't actually do the driver's door, as I said, there's no key. And the rear door, we're going to try and do it on the rear door. I think there's a key there, so let's just try it there. So now we're at the back of the van and I'm actually going to show you if obviously someone attacks the back of the van. So I'm going to arm it again, lock it, deadlock it. There you go, slight chirp, system is armed. Give it about a minute to set and I'm going to open the back door. So I think this should be set now, so I'm actually going to obviously open the back door and you're going to hear it trigger. There you go. Obviously, if I wouldn't have disarmed it, it would have run its cycle, usually about 30 seconds. This is just a quick short video just to show you the Starline working on the new, should I say, 2019 Vauxhall Movano. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, don't get confused by anyone else. Number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Let's secure it, let's close the door and secure it up. So as I said, lock, deadlock, system armed. Thank you, bye bye.